Welcome back to FAB Automotive Detailing. In this video, we are working, this is the last video on the Hoofs Wipes car. We're going to be reviewing Adams Polish's leather conditioner. I hate doing that. I never get it in the screen. Oh, let's do it. Okay, so I received this in my mystery trunk organizer from Adams Polishes. My wife bought it for me for Christmas, and I have not used this product yet. The instructions say clean soiled leather with Adams leather and interior cleaner. I'm going to do it a different way. I might make a little bit of a video on that, I don't know. Test in a small inconspicuous area first. Apply a small amount of product to a clean red Adams Premium Interior Dressing Applicator. I got my own applicators. Spread evenly across the applicator surface using your fingers, or fold the applicator over on itself. Apply to one section at a time, evenly covering the entire area. If less shine is desired, because see, I don't like a shine on leather. Leather should be dull looking when it's clean. If less shine is desired, buff with Adams microfiber towel. Condition leather surfaces every month to maintain suppleness and protection. And from what I understand, you can also use this on dashboards. I'm pretty sure it says that. Non-linoleum formula with SPF 65 protection for leather, plastic, and vinyl surface. So you actually put this on your dash if you want to. I'm not going to in this video. Amazing leather scent will keep your car smelling new, will not dry your leather or make it slippery. Easily wipes off of windows, burl wood, paint, and trim. Used in vehicles and in the home. Healthy, rich leather. And this is an 8-ounce bottle. They make a bigger, I think a 16-ounce bottle of this. It smells just like leather, is what it smells like. It smells extremely good. So I'm going to get the seats cleaned up. I'm gonna use a steam cleaner. I might, like I said, I might take it and make a little bit of a video of that. This video is about this product though. And then we're gonna apply this product and we're gonna see what it looks like. Okay, so I'll be using my McCullough steam cleaner. Here it is, a Faithful. Right here's a steam cleaner. Had it for a long time, works really good. I put a rubber band around a microfiber towel. It's what I use to scrub the leather, get the leather hot. And you need a towel to clean it. And I'm gonna show you guys, these seats are pretty gone, but you need heat to open the pores of the leather. You might get a little steamy face. Okay, and all you're gonna do is just gonna go in here and you're gonna wipe it up. I don't know, how good's your light? Is it good? Mm-hmm. Okay, because you can see the dirt in the towel. Mm-hmm. Okay, so this part is clean. Now, I will get it hot again before we apply the dressing. But then we're gonna go onto here. Now, am I doing a professional job on this? No, because he's not really worried about that. We're just trying to get some of the dirt off the seat before we apply the dressing onto it. Now, I don't know if you can see from your angle, like right there. Let me see the camera really quick. See how dull this looks? There's no shine to it. That's what you want in leather, right there. See, there's some shine to this one. So I'm gonna hit this one more time. Oh, it's getting hot in here with the steamer, isn't it? See, now there's no shine to it. Sometimes you just have to clean it a second time. But that looks really good. And now this seat is, other than the back of it, this seat is ready for the leather conditioner. Okay, so what I like to do, now you do not have to do this. The leather's clean. I like the leather to be hot when I put my conditioners on, because that way it can actually absorb into the leather. So what we're gonna do, nothing big. I did a 50-50. We're gonna do half the seat. We're just gonna get the leather hot. You're gonna wipe all this off. Okay, you're gonna wipe it all off to where it's dry. The leather is warm now to the touch. I have a leather sponge. I wrote leather on it. It's all I use on it. I'll fold this over just like that. We're gonna work into the warm leather. You don't have to scrub it or anything like that. All leather conditioners I've ever used, you just need to get it worked into the leather is the most important thing. I need a little bit more for the front of the seat. And that's pretty much it. See what a 50-50 looks like. You can definitely see it. Now me, personally, I want it to look like this. Oh, I got leather clear in my hands. So I'm gonna come in here with a towel. I'm gonna try to knock that shine off because I do not like a shine on leather. Okay, you can kind of see it. I worked it in. I don't care for this a whole lot. I mean, it looks good, it's clean, it feels good. I just don't care for that sheen at all. But that's, you know, personal preference. That's mine. You guys might like a sheen on yours. I just don't. But let me just go ahead and do the rest of that seat really quick. It does smell absolutely amazing. It smells like you just walked into an old Wilson's leather store. It smells amazing. And it's got SPF 65 in it, which means the sun's not going to harm the seats as long as you keep this on it. You know what, I just did that without using the steam cleaner. Oh well. It'll still work. So there you go. Now look at this and look at this. You see a big difference here between the seat where your butt goes and where your back goes. This looks nice and clean. It actually feels different than up here. So that works really well, soaks in really good. So I'm gonna finish the car up and we'll turn the camera back on when we get done. Okay, so the seats are done. Now as you can tell, there is a sheen to it. That's the only thing I really don't care for, but the product is very easy to use. It's very easy to apply and get around the whole seat with just basically one squirt of the bottle. You know, one squirt will do this, one squirt will do this. I knocked it down, it was shinier than this. This seat's pretty wore out being the driver's seat anyways, but this seat over here turned out pretty good. I like it. Just a little bit shinier than what I like, but you guys, that's not a big deal. That's not a deal breaker in my opinion. It's SPF 65, that's what's important on a leather conditioner. So yeah, turned out pretty good. Okay, as far as Adams Polish's leather conditioner, I do give it 2 thumbs up just because it does work very well. It is easy to apply. It smells great. Smells extremely good. It smells just like a leather store you'd walk into. And the big thing is the SPF 65 in there to protect your leather. Now it says to reapply monthly, so you got to make sure you follow up with this product. The only downside that I have, and you guys just heard me say it, was I don't like the sheen it's got to it, but it's not terrible. I've seen worse I've used leather cleaners that were a whole lot worse, trust me. So this is definitely a 2 thumbs up product. And it's gonna protect the leather. It smells great inside the car. When you sit in the leather feels great. It's not slippery or anything like that. So I definitely recommend this leather conditioner. And that's all there is to this video. So I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking this video out. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button while you're down there. Ring that little bell. So next time I upload a video, you will get notified. And don't forget, every Saturday night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go live. I'd like to see each and every one of you there.